What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are in Manzano Mountains State Park in New Mexico, and this is more so for boondockers. This is a little tip. Some of these state parks you'll get a spot that doesn't have water or electric, and this also applies if you're just boondocking anywhere as well. We got ourselves a 45-gallon foldable water tank to go in the bed of the truck, so we don't have to break down camp anymore and take the camper to go fill up in water. Or before, we were carrying two 6-gallon water containers, and that got tiring fast to go, and we were pretty much getting water every day. But anyway, I got a 45-gallon tank. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I haven't even unboxed it yet, and I'm gonna show you how to use it where I don't even know how to use it yet. So learn from my mistakes, I guess, if there are any. Anyways, that all starts now.
What's in the box?
All right, here they are. 45-gallon folding water tank, and we're just gonna put it right here in the bed of the truck and get my water hose, and there should be all the adapters and stuff that I need inside of here to connect this up and get water inside of it. All right, so we have our valves and connections and stuff right here, and instructions. All right, so let me grab my water hose. Let me get my spare water hose out of the camper so we can go over there to the spigot and we'll get some water, and we'll be back right after this. All right, so we're over at the drinking water station, and I got my water hose connected to the spigot and connected to the water bladder with the supplied adapter right here. And I got the air vent hole open. So now I'm just gonna turn on the water and begin filling it up. So let's do it. There we go. You might be able to see the water going in there. Yep. Well, she's going nice and slow, but it's working. All right, we're back at the camper now, and I got the water hose connected to the adapters and whatnot with a little bit of ingenuity, because this plastic piece right here is a little too big to go in here. I had to add another piece of water hose that I had from our 36-gallon poop tank that I don't use for anything else other than water. So as you can see, the water's coming out, gravity, from the bed of the truck to inside the camper. I may take this a step further eventually, because I have an extra water pump that I might end up hooking up to this to make this a little bit faster. But that's it, guys. That is how we get our water when we're boondocking. And if that helped you out, throw us a like, subscribe, and if you didn't like it, tell me how bad it sucked. As always, guys, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.